Hello friends, welcome to my channel Earning and Growth. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail without using your phone number, without giving your recovery email. Just create the Gmail account and sign in the YouTube so you can watch the videos and then you can like and then you can subscribe the people without giving your identification. So as you can see on the screen, the YouTube is open and then here is required to sign in. So I click the sign in. Then here is already my account, but I am not using this account. So I click the use another account. And then here you can find out the option that sign in or create a new account. So I just click the create account and then here asking the three options that for myself, for my child, to manage my business. So three options, one of the option you have to select. So I'm selecting the for myself. Then here you give the name that you want to create the account. So I give the name. Then here is asking the your email address, because you are not giving your any email address, so you need to click the here create a new Gmail address instead. So I click that one. Then here I give the Gmail name, that what Gmail ID I want to use for. So I type here, then here I give my password. That ID is already taken, so I just put added. Then I give the password, then confirm my password, then click next. Now here is asking the main option that you give your phone number or you give your recovery email address, but I'm not giving both of these. So I just select the age, then gender, and then click next. So now you can see our email is already created without phone number, without giving any email address. As you can see, we already sign in the YouTube. You can see here the email is already created, and then you can see create a channel YouTube Studio. Then the email here you can find out. So everything we created without giving any information. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates, new tips, new tricks. Thank you.